According to a study by Social Media Today, viewers are 94% more likely to view your content with relevant and attractive images. Photos and images always have been a way to capture the attention of your target audience. Creating the best photo requires certain skills as well as how do you create amazing images. Well, hello everyone. My name is Rahul Chandra and today we'll get to know about the 5 best photo editing softwares in 2022. First, Adobe Photoshop Express Editor. The editor is the finest option if you're seeking an online editing tool with practically every feature. The editor delivers practically all of the feature you do want, despite being a free editing tool, from creative edits to horizontal or vertical perspective distortions. You could also use a special crop features which is available for social media. Second, Pixlr. For those seeking a quick fix to those simple alterations, both beginners and more professional editor can benefit from Pixlr's free lightweight editing software. You can locate the tools like spot healing, brushes and stamps, or making any tiny modification to the photos, colors and lighting without having to navigate through a fully loaded editing suite. From beginners, simple interface and sparse selection of tools make it editing easiest. Third, Canva. One of the most sophisticated photo editing software out there is Canva. Additionally, the software gives a rapid tilt and angle changes to help you create stunning pictures. As it includes an instant drag and drop capability, Canva is popular among users. Therefore, if you even wish to add text or any other kind of filter, while using it, you can do that. Additionally, you can use the tool to crop your photographs or trim or even trim the controls over it. Fourth, Darktable. The Darktable supports a variety of formats. You can even support a variety of images formats while editing photos. Darktable makes filtering and sorting much simpler and editing photos is incredibly quick. One factor that enables you to have a fantastic experience with zero latency, Darktable additionally offers a variety of the tone images settings as you can have a fantastic working experience. Fifth, Inpixio. One of the best picture editing software is Inpixio, which enables you to do quick changes like an expert. With the help of this software, you may quickly and easily eliminate undesirable objects and backdrops. Additionally, Inpixio provides automatic image retouching as well. All the software will help you make your photos and images stunning and attract your target audience. If you wish to know more about providing and improvising your online presence, click on the link in the description box below. For more informative information about marketing, do subscribe to the channel. Until then, keep learning.